Hey there, fellow moneymakers. Welcome back to CashSpace, your ultimate guide to unlocking the treasure trove of ad-driven income streams. Today, we're diving headfirst into a topic that's turning heads and raising eyebrows: how to tap into the magical realm of artificial intelligence to fatten up your wallet. As AI continues its mesmerizing dance into every corner of our lives, let's embark on a thrilling journey to explore 7 mind-blowing ways you can transform AI's prowess into cold, hard cash. Buckle up, because the ride is about to get exciting. Alright, dear adventurers, picture this. With AI's omnipresent influence, the opportunities are as boundless as your imagination. Let's unbox the treasure chest of AI-generated riches method by method. Are you ready? Let's roll! Method 1. Craft enchanting written AI content. Imagine having your own writing wizard at your beck and call. Say hello to AI-powered platforms like ChatGPT, your trusty companion for conjuring up written masterpieces. Whether it's spellbinding blog posts, persuasive website copy, or attention-grabbing social media content, AI's got your back. And the real magic? It's not just about crafting words. It's about defeating the notorious writer's block and writing at the speed of thought. Now, picture this. Jasper.ai waltzes in, transforming you into a copywriting maestro. Think mesmerizing marketing emails, captivating landing pages, and attention-commanding advertisements. But hold on to your wizard hats, folks. AI doesn't stop there. It's your creative companion, crafting scripts for videos, ebooks, and beyond. The result? A goldmine of AI-generated content to dazzle your clients and fatten up your pockets. Method 2. Unleash AI-generated artistry. Let's dive into the mesmerizing world where AI and art shake hands. Meet DALE, Stable Diffusion, and Midjourney, your artistic allies in this enchanting journey. By casting the right spell with detailed prompts, you summon breathtaking images that blur the lines between reality and imagination. But the magic doesn't fade there. Ever thought of turning your art into digital treasures like NFTs? Or transforming your AI-generated masterpiece into wearable art? Brace yourselves. Your artistry is about to pay off in ways you've never imagined. Method 3. Direct AI for YouTube stardom. Imagine an AI-powered director orchestrating your YouTube success. Say hello to ChatGPT, your guide to generating winning video ideas and scripts. And the plot thickens. AI even lends its voice to your videos with its text-to-speech magic. But wait, the star of the show is Synthesia, crafting video wonders that dazzle your audience. Here's the real magic trick. Create evergreen content and watch the streams of passive income flow in from ad revenue and cleverly embedded affiliate links. It's time to let AI put you in the spotlight. Method 4. Forge AI-generated digital visuals. Let's dive into the realm of digital visuals, where AI is your artistic ally. Enter Adtreative.ai, the enchanting tool that crafts dazzling digital ads, business logos, and marketing magic. And guess what? Your creative journey doesn't stop there. Imagine weaving enchanting commercials and social content that make businesses swoon. But that's not all. Become the pitch deck sorcerer, streamlining startup stories and wooing clients on platforms like Fiverr and Upwork. Method 5. Architect with AI. Build websites. Ever thought of AI as your virtual architect? Enter the stage, Wix Artificial Design Intelligence, ADI, transforming website building into child's play. Whether it's for clients or your own creative pursuits, your AI-fueled website becomes your income-generating oasis. Think ads, affiliate marketing, and subscription sales. Your virtual canvas is about to turn into a masterpiece of profit. Method 6. Summon AI-generated audio magic. Let's dive into the symphony of AI-generated audio. Picture this: AI breathing life into audiobooks with its text-to-speech wizardry. Pen your script, sprinkle AI prompts, and watch your words come alive. But there's more. AI's multilingual prowess translates videos and written content into a harmonious chorus of languages. Your voice isn't confined by borders, it's a global melody. Method 7. Teach and earn with AI online courses. Ever dreamed of becoming an online sage? AI's got your back. Enter ChatGPT, your partner in creating spellbinding online courses. From idea generation to crafting course materials, AI adds its touch of enchantment. But the real magic happens when AI helps you create videos, scripts, and voiceovers. Ready to turn your expertise into a treasure chest of online courses? It's your time to shine. And there you have it, 7 radiant pathways to turn AI's magic into money. But remember, fellow seekers of wealth, in a world where AI abounds, your uniqueness becomes your secret ingredient. Carve your niche, let your brand sparkle, deliver unparalleled service, and infuse your soul into your creations. With AI by your side, your journey to financial greatness is within reach. Ready to transform as wonder into your financial adventure? Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell, because at CashSpace, we're your guides to unraveling the enigmatic world of money-making AI. Until next time, fellow adventurers, stay curious, stay profitable.